Did you know that choosing the right golf ball can drastically improve your game by maximizing distance, enhancing control, and giving you a better feel on the greens? With countless options available, finding the perfect ball for your unique playing style might feel overwhelming. That's why we've researched the best golf balls on the market and broken them down to help you make the best decision for your game. Whether you're looking for explosive drives, reliable control, or a premium feel, there's something here for everyone. Links to all the products are in the description below, so you can check them out or grab your favorite today. Ready to transform your game? Let's get started. Let's begin with the Callaway Golf Super Soft, one of the most popular options for golfers seeking a soft feel and consistent performance. This ball's ultra-low compression core delivers exceptional energy transfer, resulting in faster ball speeds and longer distances, especially for players with slower swing speeds. Its hybrid cover and hex aerodynamics reduce drag and promote a high, stable launch for greater accuracy. Beginners and mid-handicap golfers will find this ball particularly forgiving on mishits, helping them stay on target more often. The affordability of the Super Soft makes it an excellent value, offering high performance without the hefty price tag. If you're looking for a ball that's easy to play with and consistently reliable, this could be your new favorite. Next up is the Titus Pro V1, a true icon in the world of golf and the go-to choice for countless professionals. Featuring a reformulated 2.0 ZG process core, this ball offers unmatched speed and distance while maintaining a soft feel for optimal greenside control. The advanced dimple design ensures a penetrating, consistent flight even in challenging weather conditions. Players will appreciate how well the Pro V1 handles both long drives and delicate short game shots, making it a versatile all-rounder. Its durability ensures that it remains consistent through multiple rounds, adding even more value. If you're a low-handicap golfer seeking a high-performance ball that delivers precision and reliability, the Pro V1 is hard to beat. Now let's turn to the TaylorMade Distance Plus, a fantastic option for players who prioritize distance without compromising affordability. Built with a React Speed core and a tough ionomer cover, this ball is engineered to provide explosive power and straighter drives. It's particularly suited for mid to high handicappers who want to hit farther while maintaining control over their shots. The durable construction means it stands up well over multiple games, saving you money in the long run. The Distance Plus also provides a solid, consistent feel, making it easier to gauge your shots and improve your overall game. If you're a golfer who values performance and affordability, this ball should definitely be on your radar. Moving on, we have the Bridgestone E12 Contact, which brings innovation to the forefront with its unique contact force dimple design. This technology increases surface contact during impact, ensuring better energy transfer, longer distances, and straighter shots. The E12 is particularly helpful for players who struggle with hooks or slices, offering consistent flight paths and added confidence. Its construction also provides excellent spin and control on approach shots, making it a great all-around ball. With its durability and performance across various conditions, the E12 Contact is perfect for golfers looking to elevate their game. Whether you're teeing off or playing around the greens, this ball adapts beautifully to your needs. The Tidalist AVX is next, offering a premium experience for golfers who value a soft feel and precision. Its low compression core minimizes spin on longer shots, resulting in a more penetrating flight and greater distance. Meanwhile, the cast urethane cover delivers exceptional greenside control, making it ideal for finesse shots around the hole. The AVX stands out for its ability to cater to players with moderate swing speeds, providing a seamless blend of control, distance, and feel. Its robust construction ensures consistent performance throughout every round. If you're seeking a high-quality ball that enhances both your long game and your short game, the AVX deserves your attention. Now let's talk about the Srixon Soft Feel, a reliable and budget-friendly choice for golfers with slower swing speeds. Its fast layer core transitions from soft to firm, creating a powerful energy transfer for longer drives while maintaining a soft, comfortable feel. The 338 speed dimple pattern improves aerodynamics, ensuring a stable and predictable flight. It's particularly forgiving on off-center hits, making it ideal for newer players looking to build confidence. The soft feel also excels in providing a solid feel on putts, helping golfers improve their touch on the greens. If you're just getting started or want a dependable ball that delivers consistent results, the Srixon Soft Feel is a fantastic option. Next up is the TaylorMade Tour Response Stripe, a ball that combines high performance with unique design features. Its 3-layer construction, complete with a high-spring core, speed mantle layer, and soft urethane cover, offers excellent spin and control for all types of shots. The bold stripe design not only looks great, but also serves as an alignment aid, helping players line up putts and trackball movement more effectively. It's a great choice for golfers who value both precision and visual feedback on the course. With its consistent performance and innovative features, this ball is perfect for players who want to fine-tune their game. Let's take a look at the Callaway Chrome Soft, a versatile ball that delivers tour-level performance for golfers of all skill levels. Its dual-core construction promotes high launch and low spin for maximum distance, while the urethane cover provides exceptional greenside control. Players will love how this ball feels soft on impact, yet performs powerfully off the tee. The Chrome Soft is a great option for those who want a premium ball that offers balanced performance across the board. Its durability ensures it stands up to the demands of intense play, making it a favorite among avid golfers. Finally, we come to the Bridgestone Tour BXS, a ball designed with input from Tiger Woods to offer superior spin and control. Its reactive cover adapts to different shots, delivering extra spin for short approaches and more distance for long drives. The gradational core ensures powerful energy transfer, resulting in consistent, explosive performance. Advanced players will appreciate the precision and responsiveness this ball provides, especially in high-pressure situations. Whether you're competing in tournaments or pushing your personal limits, the Tour BXS is built to perform under any condition. These 9 golf balls cover a range of styles and skill levels, offering something for everyone. If you're a beginner or looking for forgiveness, the Callaway Super Soft and Srixon Soft Feel are perfect starting points. For players prioritizing distance, the TaylorMade Distance Plus and Bridgestone E12 Contact are excellent choices. If greenside control and spin are your main focus, the Titus Pro V1, Tidalist AVX, and Bridgestone Tour BXS deliver top-tier performance. Meanwhile, the TaylorMade Tour Response Stripe and Callaway Chrome Soft cater to golfers seeking balanced performance and innovative features. When deciding, think about your playing priorities. Do you need help with distance, accuracy, or control around the greens? Consider your swing speed, typical playing conditions, and budget as well. For those still unsure, start with a forgiving ball like the Callaway Super Soft to build confidence. Then progress to a higher performance option as your game improves. Remember, the right golf ball can enhance every part of your game, making it easier to achieve your goals. All the product links are in the description below to help you explore or purchase your favorite. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow golfers. Here's to better scores, more birdies, and unforgettable moments on the course. See you out there.